This bread is more than just healthy, it's a gentle boost for your gut, packed with fiber and plant-based, made with clean vegan ingredients that support digestion and help ease constipation. No eggs, no dairy, and no yeast. And the best part? No waiting, no proofing, just mix and bake. So let's make this nourishing loaf simple, wholesome, and truly satisfying. First, I'll start by activating the psyllium. I've got some warm water here. Pour it into the bowl, then sprinkle the psyllium husk over the top. Adding psyllium over the water helps it hydrate evenly and prevents clumps. Give it a good stir and leave it for about 10 minutes to thicken. While that's hydrating, let's get the dry ingredients ready. In a large mixing bowl, add oat flour. It's great for digestion and gives the bread a soft texture. Then add quinoa flakes for some plant-based protein. And sunflower kernels. These are packed with fiber, protein, and vitamin. Now add baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. You can add your favorite herbs too. A pinch of oregano, thyme, or rosemary adds lovely flavor. Here, if you don't want to use baking soda or baking powder, you can skip them. Mix everything and set the bowl aside for now. Let's check the psyllium. This thick gel helps bind everything together, just like gluten would in regular dough. Now I'm adding apple cider vinegar. This reacts with the baking soda and gives the bread a better rise. If you're not using soda, you can skip the vinegar. Next, add olive oil. It adds moisture, improves texture, and helps the bread stay soft. Now, start mixing. At first it may seem dry, but keep going. Because the bread is high in fiber, it absorbs a lot of liquid. So here, I'm adding a bit more warm water to bring it to the right texture. If you want a softer loaf, just add a splash more. It's totally up to you. Once it turns into a thick, sticky dough, transfer it to a loaf pan. Smooth out the top, and for a finishing touch, sprinkle some sunflower kernels over it. This gives a lovely crunch on top and makes the bread look rustic and beautiful after baking. Now let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. This helps everything hydrate and settle nicely. While it rests, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, bake for 55 to 60 minutes until it's firm and golden brown. For a crispier crust, remove the bread from the mold and bake for another 10 minutes. Once done, let it cool completely before slicing. And that's it. Wholesome, plant-based bread that's good for digestion, supports your gut, and helps ease constipation. All without yeast, eggs, or dairy. Simple ingredients, real benefits, and full of flavor. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves healthy bread. Try it at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more wholesome, feel-good recipes. Till then, see you in the next one.